Okay, class, it's math time. What's 1 plus 1? Nailed. It's 2. Correct. What's 2 plus 3? My friend? 5? Correct. What's 6 plus 3? Monkey? Sexy! No, it's not sexy! It's 9! Go to the principal's office! So, Monkey, what brings you here? I got the answer wrong. Which answer? Science answer? No, it's not science. It's not science answer. 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 Tell me the truth now. Who else? Okay. I will tell you the truth. I got the math answer wrong. You are expelled from the school, Monkey! Go home now! Well, wow. Monkey! We can't believe you got expelled from school for getting the math answer wrong. I'm so sorry, I didn't know what it was. Your apology is unaccepted. You are grounded for 1 month. 10 months. Until your whole suspension is over. For your punishment, you're going to watch baby shows like Barney and Friends, Dora the Explorer, Baby Einstein, Curious George, Caillou, and Little Einstein, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Jake and the Neverland Pirates, and Sophia the First. Go to your room now and we'll start watching both baby shows. Wow.